on the seam here on the roof. He measures out about 9 inches, Father. Keep the bugs and the water out. We don't drill down the last screw until that piece of foam's in. You have to make sure our torque assessment is just right so we don't smush the washers too much. Runners are in place. We started over here on the drip edge. We wanted to make sure we had about the rough same distance. For us in this instance, it was about 4 1/4, right, Father?
4.250.
Yeah. Then we moved to the center beam here, and then we countersink them, and then we put the screw in, and then work from the center on over. Our roofing adventures continue. We're going to have to measure the distance of this hole here, and then we're going to have to cut a hole through the panel. We don't have to be super precise. We can use our snips to snip around. We're progressed most of the way through the trailer. We had 3 holes to drill out. About how long was this trailer, Father? 50 foot?
53.
53, yeah. Size of a long semi-trailer, 53.
There you go.
I should recognize the length. Measures 9 inches out to the hump there. He's got his line. And in the words of my father, wunderbar. Well, we're finishing up here on the roof. As you can tell, we have a nice view here of the river. Got about 5.5 inches over the edge. We're going to attempt to bend it down, and may have to snip it in the middle to bend it over. Let's try that toss of the screw again. All right, we got it. All right, day 3 here. We're trying to get the pipe adjustment height. Father marked it off, so he's going to cut it. Got our boot.
Like a millimeter gun. All right.
So we're putting the boot on here. We have this line of screws attached to the runner here. The one was in the way, so we had to back it out and then re-drill into there. And we'll try to get this wrapped around here. The pipe's gonna be right here, going down. And then we'll get quite a few screws in there, try to get a good seal. And then we're gonna do some silicone around the outer edges when the boot's finally in place, and probably along the top edge as well. Alright, boot's installed. We siliconed around the edges, multiple screws. Tried not to get into the drip edge too much. Siliconed around the boot. These clips are used here for different size boots to adhere it together in case you have to split the boot. Any last words, Father?
We're done.
Okay.